Hey folks, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, we have an opening from Cognizant and Walmart to discuss in this video. Both are a very good opportunity for the freshers to get on. So please make use of these opportunities. You can get the link from the description and apply for that. So soon after you watch this video, just try applying to that. Before that, understand every criteria that they have mentioned in the eligibility criteria. Okay, it's very important. So if you're very new to our channel, please do subscribe our channel and activate the bell icon as well. So once you activate the bell icon, please enable the option, enable this notification button as all, so that you will get notifications regarding whichever video we upload, because these kind of hiring videos especially, it is very important for you to receive at the particular time, because it may have some deadlines to go. Okay, so let's move on to that. So first, let's discuss the opening available from Cognizant. So Cognizant is hiring for the associate projects and the location is Bangalore. Now you can see here qualification is graduate or engineering graduate. That's all they have mentioned. And responsibilities, they have pretty much set of responsibilities that you should have to apply for this job. So this, if you are like okay with this, then you can try applying to this. So here you can see that, yeah, requirements gathering under interpret and clarify functional requirements and everything. So what basically that they want you to have is, you should will be handling some projects. So everything from the start to the end, you must know the things and you must know the process and everything. That's what their requirement is. So they have mentioned some technical skills and technical criteria too. So it is very important for you to go through those of them and understand that. And if you're very confident in that, then you can apply to that. Okay. And one more thing I would like to mention is that this must have skills is very important. And if it is, make sure that you have all these skills while you're applying to that. So if you don't have, please develop up to that and try applying for these openings available, because these are very good skills to have if you're trying for a good profile jobs, I mean high profile jobs. Okay, so to apply for that, you can click on this apply button and continue with the application process. So if you have a candidate profile, you can make use of that as well, or else you need to start the one. So here you can see you have to upload your resume, your personal information, everything you can update, and next you can go for that. Then you will be applying for this job, I mean submitting the response for this particular job. Now coming to the batch criteria, they haven't mentioned regarding any particular job or this is only for the immediate joiners, everything. So if you're very confident in your skills, any batch can try applying to that. All they want is to want you to have is the must skills that they are looking forward for. And if you have that, if you're a fresher and if you have few months or few years of experience, you can try applying to this job. Okay. So that's about it. And coming to CTC, since it is not particularly for the freshers alone, the CTC may vary, but the starting CTC for the Cognizant freshers in Cognizant is greater than 4 to 5 plus LPS. So this is the average CTC that you can expect for that. So try applying to this. It's a very good opportunity for you to handle the projects and learn more in this technical field. Okay, so that's it. And graduation criteria, they have already mentioned, it's graduates or engineering graduates. Okay, so that's it, that's about it. And next we have another opening from Walmart to discuss. So Walmart is still hiring for the internship at Walmart, I mean internship opportunity at Walmart. So here you can see that your qualification, you are currently pursuing a bachelor's degree in engineering and are graduate in 2022. You have scored a combined aggregate score of 7 or above across all semesters. You possess an extremely sound understanding the basic areas of computer science such as data structures, algorithms, object-oriented programming, and design. You have a good command on any one programming language like C, C++, or Java. You have knowledge of relational database. So this is the qualification criteria. So here the opening is available at the location Bangalore and Chennai. Open positions are 30, but still I think they are inviting more of you. You can more apply. That's why the link is not yet discarded or withdrawn. So you can apply to this. It's a very good internship opportunity at Walmart to learn this industry and everything. So to apply for that, you can go with this application process. You need to upload your resume, which strictly aligned to the eligibility criteria or the requirement that Walmart had put forward for this particular opening. Okay, and give your personal information. After that, wait for a while, you will be getting notified for the same. Okay, so soon after you go for that, you just try applying to this. So they have mentioned 30 positions available, but there's a high chance that you have more of the positions, or they are expecting more candidates participation, so they can filter out the best that they are looking forward for. So you need to apply to this, and after that, let's wait, maybe this can be your chance. Okay, so that's it, that's about it. And you can see the responsibilities here. Largest private customer database, master data for item, supply chain to support our online and offline channels, then mobile development to enhance user experience for associates, then complex security frameworks and cryptology suites, integration layer to interface with suppliers and B2B partners, world's largest private cloud, large scale distributed systems, service oriented architecture, high performance, scalable, reliable systems, massive in memory database. So this is, you will be having a great hands-on experience and technical aspects of software development field and everything. So this is a very good opportunity, guys. So whoever doing 2022 passing out batches during their final semesters, please try applying to this job. They haven't withdrawn the application link. It means that they are still inviting the applications. So before they put an end to that, please try applying to that. Okay, so that's we have for today. So if you have any further doubts, please to let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, we're welcome to the comment section. So until I come up again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to online study for you.